successful.
I recently upgraded to the Philips smart door lock with the palm recognition. I think this is the best upgrade you can have. I'll show you how to get it installed and do a very detailed app walkthrough. First person view of how this smart door lock works. The screen is not activated, but as soon as I open up the storm door, there's a red dot and blinking 0. Verification successful. As easy as this. I did not even touch it. Automatically locks.
Door locked. Door locked.
Door locked automatically. Let's unbox the Philips 5000 series Wi-Fi smart lock with palm recognition. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. We also got a doorbell. Beautiful finish. Feels like it's a piece of glass with a metal frame. Battery compartment. 4 batteries. Volume control and probably a ringtone selection. Backup physical keys. I removed the old lock. The new lock installation should be pretty straightforward. Insert this latch bolt, faceplate, and the back panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to make sure it rotates smoothly. Insert the faceplate. Remove the metal back plate. Insert the cable. Cable guide. Two screws. Install the batteries.
Door locked. Door unlocked.
Okay, let's set it up. Install the Home Access app from Philips and press and hold this reset button for 5 seconds.
Restoring. Wait a moment.
Says restoring. Wait a moment. I'm gonna go add device.
Locked.
Automatically detected. Connect. Bluetooth pairing. Create a master ping.
Setup successful.
Successful. Install the door sensor. I'm going to use the double-sided tape, or you can just put down 2 screws. That should be good enough. Okay, open the door.
Door unlocked.
Close the door. Reopen the door. Left the door ajar.
Setup successful.
Calibration succeeded. Enter a pin, a permanent pin. Now I'm going to set up Wi-Fi. Name the device. Front door. Complete. Now let's plug in the door chime. Press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Let's try it out. In the app, it shows my door is unlocked. Locked. Automatically locked. Let's try a few more things here. Shows locked, one press, unlocked,
Door unlocked.
lock. Super easy. I'm going to register my Palm ID now. Add Palm ID. Okay, I'm ready.
Please scan your palm. Palm ID is being enrollment successful.
That was very quick. Amazing. Name the Palm ID. I'll register my left palm.
Palm ID is enrollment successful.
Left hand. Left. I'll rename this one to Kyle Wright. Then ask all the family members to have their palms scanned. The scanned data is stored locally within the lock. It's never shared anywhere else. PIN code is a very important feature. Not only we can assign permanent keys to other family members, but we can also assign one-time temporary keys for other people. For example, if you have a Airbnb, you can create a one-time key or reoccurring key, a key with duration. If we are on vacation, we'll probably create a key with duration and give it to our pet sitters. Let's do this as a quick example. Start date from today, end date is gonna be maybe 3 days later. We can see the passcode 2580.
Enrollment successful.
Enrollment successful. I rename this key as pet. Complete. Okay, let me lock it first.
Door locked.
See a push notification there. 2580. Check.
Verification successful.
Verification successful. Let's wait for the push notification. The front door is accessed by the guy who has my pet key. Let me show you a full app walkthrough of the Home Access app. From the dashboard page, you get a list of door locks. You can see the battery status, Wi-Fi connection is full bar, signal is good. The door status is also displayed here. If it is opened, you will see a red icon. From here, I can just do a single tab to lock or unlock the door. I get a full list of activities here. Door unlocked by the app, locked manually, unlocked by pet. A PIN code is added. Basically, a full history of whatever happens to the lock and by which person. So that's a really nice thing to have. You can also see the date here and confirm you will get a refreshed list of the activities on that day. Come back here, we got the PIN code, which I already showed you earlier. Come back, Palm ID. This gives us the full list of family members. We have 2 palms scanned for each person. The setting page, the device name here, we can rename the smart lock. Wi-Fi network, we can change the Wi-Fi network here. Automatic lock can be disabled, but I highly recommend having it enabled. Lock instantly, or you can have like a 30 seconds delay. Door sensor is on, the little rectangular piece attached next to the door lock. Grab and go. So this feature allows us to approach the door lock and automatically unlock. We just grab it and open the door. Don't have to manually turn the lock. Duress warning. In emergency case, entering 911 PIN code will trigger an alarm and system will notify you emergency contact person. So this is a nice to have feature if someone forces you to enter the password. then you can have a 911 prefix to the PIN code and get a notification. Palm ID reader can be disabled. Automatic wake up is enabled. There's an option to disable it. Otherwise, you will probably have to touch it to activate the light. The doorbell chime, this is to maybe pair that, to repair it. Sound setting, you can disable these sound if you think they are annoying. Lock language does support English, Espanol, and French. Time setting, this is automatically synced timestamp with the phone. Notification. Yeah, if you don't want to get bothered by the push notification when the door is locked or unlocked, it can be disabled here. Enabled, maybe I don't want the locked notification. I just keep the unlocked notification. Right? I know for a fact it will automatically lock itself. Change master code. Privacy mode. In privacy mode, mechanical key, thumb, turn, and master pin are the only unlocking methods. One-touch locking. Yeah, if you don't have the automatic lock enabled, you can long press to lock any key to enable the lock. Device information, yeah, and shared device. This is also important if you have another family member. Say my wife, ask her to install this app using her email address, create her own account. Then I share the front door lock with her, and it will come up with a QR code. I don't want to show it to the camera. And she uses the add device to, so let me show you this screen. So she will come here and use this camera to scan the QR code displayed on my screen. And she will be able to connect to the other door lock that I shared with her. And she will get the full history, of the access code, of the full access history. So that's the full app walkthrough and the profile page. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.